Hello again, everybody. We are back for another puzzle out of the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku, Volume 1. Again, I do make a small commission out of any purchases of that book. Looks like today we are working on number 42. Where shall we start? Let's do this column. Looks like we've got 1, 2, we're missing a 3, 7, and 9. We've got a 3 here. So 7, 9, no help here, 3, 7, 9, 7 here, so 3 or 9. Let's do this row here. Looks like we're missing a 2, 7, 9. We've got a 7 here, so 2 or 9. No help here, 2, 7, 9, 9 here, so 2 or 7. All right, let's just work on this box here. Looks like we're missing 2, 6, 7, and 9. Got a 9 there, so 2, 6, 7. Got a 6 there, 2, 7, 9, and we've got a 9 here and a 7 here, so 2 or 6. If we work on this box, it looks like we're missing 2, 3, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 3, 7. We've got a 2 and a 3 here, so 7 and 9, we've got a 9 there, a 3 here, so 2 or 7. So it looks like the 3 can't be here or up here. So this has to be our 3. If we work on this box, it looks like we're missing 1, 2, 5, and 7. Got a 1 and a 5 here, so 2 or 7. And no help here, 1, 2, 5, 7. We've got this 1 here, so 2, 5, 7. We work on this box, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're missing 5, 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 6 here and a 5 here, 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here and a 6 here. So 5 and 9. Got a 9 and a 5 and a 7, so that means this has to be our 6. Here we've got 5 and 9 again, so that has to be our 7, 9, 5. That 7 makes this our 2. And we can get rid of that 2. That 2 and that 2. All right, let's do this row. We're missing a 1, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 and a 5 there. So this is our 1. The 4 there means this is our 5 and our 4. If we do this row here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, looks like we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 6 and a 7 there, so this is our 8. And no help over there. So 6, 7, 6, 7. If we work on this row, looks like we're missing a 2, a 3, an 8, and a 9. We've got a 2, 8, and 3. So 9, that makes this our 3. And no help over here. So 2, 8, 2, 8. But let's see, so that 9 there makes this our 7. And this our 9. we can get rid of the 7 here. The 7, that's 7, so that makes this 5 and 1. If we look back here, this 9 over here means this is where our 9 has to be. So then we can get rid of this 9. With this 3, we can get rid of that 3. If we look at this row, the 7 can only be there. So 7, 2, that makes this our 7. That 2 means 8, 2. That 7 means 6, 7. All right, did we catch everything there for the moment? Looks like it. So let's finish this column. 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7, which means this is our 9 and our 7. For this box, we're missing 2 and 5, and we don't have any help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. All right, let's work on this column. Looks like we're missing 2, 6, 8. We've got an 8 here. So 2, 6, but no help here. 2, 6, 8. But then it looks like this is the only place our 8 can be. For this column, looks like we're missing a 2, a 4, and a 6. We've got a 4 and a 6 here, so 2, a 4 here, so 6, 4, and that 6 means this is our 2, 6, 2. So if we do this top row, looks like we're missing 1. Oh, no, that 2 makes this our 5 and 2. Okay, so now we're missing 1, 3, and 7. Got a 7 there. So 1 or 3. 3 here. So 1 or 7. 1 and a 7. So this is our 3. That makes this our 1. And here's our 7. So for this box, we're missing 3 and 6. 3 here. So 6 and 3. This row looks like we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here. So 5 and 1. And to finish this off, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And there you have today's puzzle, everybody. Please do like, subscribe, and hit that reminder bell. It helps the channel out a lot. And I will see you back again tomorrow for our next puzzle.